Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete a short video on YouTube. So let's get started. Open the YouTube application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. When the YouTube application opens, you can see your profile picture in the lower right corner of the screen. Click on it. Then on the next page, scroll down to the Your Videos option and click on it. Here you can see all your videos that you have recorded. But there is also an option that allows you to search only videos, shorts, and live. We will select the Shorts option and click on it. Clicking on it will open a list of shorts videos. It's up to you to choose the video you want to delete. By selecting the shorts video on the side, you have 3 dots. Click on them. The application will open a drop-down menu where you will go down to the Delete option and click on it. Then all you have to do is click Delete. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a short video on YouTube. It's a quick and easy process. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.